AI versus humans, the finance battle nobody is ready for. Finance has always been about precision, intuition, and strategy. For decades, humans were the undisputed rulers of this world, analyzing markets, evaluating risks, and managing portfolios. But 2026 is proving to be the year of disruption. Artificial intelligence is no longer a supplementary tool. It is a formidable competitor. Algorithms can process trillions of data points in seconds, detect hidden patterns, and make predictions far faster than any human. Entire financial departments are beginning to rely on AI systems to make decisions that were previously reserved for senior executives. The stakes are high. Humans who ignore AI risk being outperformed, outpaced, and ultimately replaced. But for those who adapt, this technological revolution opens doors to unprecedented opportunities. This video breaks down 10 critical areas in finance where AI is reshaping the landscape and why the human element is facing a challenge like never before. 1. AI dominance in data analysis. Humans are limited by cognitive capacity. A financial analyst can review only a handful of reports per day, while AI scans millions of data points in seconds. Machine learning algorithms detect trends, forecast market movements, and identify anomalies with accuracy impossible for humans. Large financial institutions now rely on AI for predictive modeling. Hedge funds simulate hundreds of market scenarios simultaneously, optimizing portfolios and anticipating volatility in real time. Human analysts cannot match this speed, which gives AI a decisive advantage in decision-making. Those who resist integrating AI are increasingly at a disadvantage. Firms that rely solely on human interpretation risk slower insights, missed opportunities, and reduced profitability. In 2026, the ability to collaborate with AI systems is no longer optional. It is a prerequisite for relevance in the financial industry. 2. Algorithmic trading. Humans can't compete. High-frequency trading has transformed the way markets operate. Algorithms execute thousands of trades per second, exploiting minute price differences invisible to human traders. AI integrates historical data, live market news, and even social media sentiment to make instantaneous decisions. Experienced traders, regardless of intuition or skill, cannot compete with the reaction time and computational power of AI systems. Firms that fail to adopt algorithmic trading risk losing market share to competitors leveraging advanced models. By 2026, human traders are increasingly taking oversight roles, managing exceptions, and focusing on strategy rather than execution. AI's speed and precision make it the primary driver of trading profits, leaving humans responsible mainly for supervision and relationship management. 3. Risk management. Transformed by AI. Risk management has traditionally been a manual process involving reports, spreadsheets, and committee reviews. AI now models complex scenarios in real time, analyzing credit, market, operational, and liquidity risks simultaneously. Financial institutions deploy predictive AI to forecast defaults, detect fraud, and simulate extreme economic conditions. Humans, restricted by time and analytical limitations, struggle to achieve comparable accuracy. The implications are profound. Human roles in risk management are evolving into AI supervision, interpretation, and strategy. Professionals who fail to adapt face redundancy, while those who embrace AI gain faster, more reliable insights and the ability to anticipate threats before they materialize. 4. Portfolio management and robo-advisors. Robo-advisors have changed wealth management. Unlike traditional advisors, AI systems personalize investment portfolios for millions of clients simultaneously. They analyze market conditions, risk tolerance, and long-term goals continuously. Humans cannot scale to this level. The real-time monitoring, predictive allocation, and dynamic rebalancing provided by AI outperform manual management in efficiency and consistency. In 2026, human advisors who do not adopt AI risk losing relevance. Professionals who integrate AI can focus on client relationships, behavioral coaching, and strategic advice, leveraging machine intelligence to improve outcomes. 5. Fraud detection and compliance. AI is revolutionizing compliance and fraud prevention. Algorithms monitor transactions 24/7, flagging suspicious activity immediately and learning from new patterns. Human auditors, by contrast, can only investigate after issues occur, often too late. Financial institutions using AI for compliance reduce losses, improve reporting accuracy, and ensure regulatory adherence efficiently. Humans now serve in supervisory and judgment-based roles rather than performing routine monitoring. 6. Credit scoring and loan decisions. Traditional loan officers manually evaluate creditworthiness using limited data sets, often relying on subjective judgment. AI evaluates thousands of variables: transaction history, repayment patterns, behavioral data, and even alternative sources like utility payments or social indicators, in real time to determine risk with unmatched precision. Banks benefit from faster approvals, reduced defaults, and more accurate interest rate allocation. Human intervention is now limited to exceptional or complex cases that require nuanced judgment. By integrating AI into loan processing, financial institutions are able to expand credit access responsibly while minimizing risk exposure. By 2026, AI-driven underwriting will dominate the lending sector. Loan officers must either supervise AI systems or pivot to consulting, advisory, or niche risk assessment to avoid redundancy. Those who understand AI's limitations and can validate its predictions will become highly sought after, bridging the gap between automated systems and human oversight. Furthermore, AI enables financial institutions to offer dynamic interest rates and personalized lending packages. This customization increases client satisfaction while maintaining risk-adjusted profitability. Early adopters of AI in credit scoring will redefine industry standards, leaving late adopters struggling to catch up. 7. AI in financial planning and advisory. Human advisors offer personalized investment advice, but AI can now simulate financial futures for millions of clients instantly. Algorithms generate retirement plans, tax strategies, and investment recommendations, adapting continuously to life changes, market fluctuations, and even global economic events. Advisors who do not leverage AI risk falling behind in both accuracy and client satisfaction. Those who adopt AI focus on empathy, communication, and strategic oversight, complementing the data processing power of machines. By combining insight with technology, advisors can provide highly personalized, scalable solutions for clients, positioning themselves as indispensable guides in an AI-driven world. AI-powered scenario modeling allows advisors to demonstrate multiple potential outcomes for investments, enabling clients to make informed, confident decisions. Advisors who master this symbiosis of human judgment and AI precision gain a competitive edge in trust, efficiency, and client retention. Additionally, AI assists advisors in regulatory compliance, portfolio monitoring, and tax optimization, freeing them to focus on building relationships and long-term strategies. Those who integrate AI as a tool rather than view it as competition will become leaders in financial planning. 8. Jobs most at risk in finance. Roles with repetitive, data-heavy tasks are most vulnerable. Analysts, junior traders, loan officers, compliance clerks, and back-office staff face automation. AI performs their tasks faster, cheaper, and with fewer errors. Upskilling in AI tools, predictive analytics, and strategy is essential for survival. Professionals unwilling to adapt risk redundancy as machines increasingly handle the work humans once dominated. 9. Opportunities for early AI adopters. While AI eliminates certain roles, it also creates lucrative opportunities. Early adopters can offer AI consulting, implementation, strategy design, and analytics services. New professions are emerging: AI-powered wealth management consultants, algorithm designers, and financial education providers. Those who integrate human insight with AI capabilities can create scalable, profitable ventures. 10. Humans' unique advantage in finance. Despite AI's dominance, humans retain an edge in creativity, judgment, and empathy. Negotiation, complex deal-making, ethical decision-making, and long-term strategic vision cannot be fully automated. The future belongs to humans who collaborate with AI. Professionals who learn to interpret AI insights, apply judgment, and communicate effectively will thrive. AI will not replace humans entirely. It will replace those who resist an adaptation. The AI versus human battle in finance is already underway. It is not about fear. It is about awareness, adaptation, and proactive skill development. Humans who embrace AI as a partner will define the future of wealth and opportunity. Like this video, share it with finance professionals, and subscribe to the channel for more insights into the AI-driven financial world. Those who act now will shape the next decade of finance.